What's up guys, Jim Carjack here, and today we're working on my buddy's C7 Corvette. We're going to be installing an X-pipe onto his exhaust. Alright guys, so today we're installing a Borla X-pipe. It's Catless. They don't make these anymore, so my buddy got it used, but it looks to be in pretty good condition, so not bad. All the hardware is included as well. The donut gaskets don't look to be in bad condition either, so it's looking like it'll be a good fit for the Corvette here. So we got everything jacked up. We're going to go ahead and go underneath the car. We're starting off by removing this tunnel piece here. There's like 22 bolts, I believe. 18 millimeters and 13 millimeters. So we got all our tools set up, so we're gonna go ahead and remove that. Okay, this is coming. All right, so you want to get on the other side? Yeah. Yeah, just hold it up so it doesn't fall.
Support it right here?
Yeah.
Oh damn, that's fucking hot.
Is it? Oh shit.
I mean, it's not super hot, but...
Oh wait, yeah, you know what, leave it. Yeah, it's fine then. Alright, let me grab some gloves. Yeah. I don't know why it's not actually falling. Oh, there's one more. There's two more actually. Okay.
Alright, get the gloves, I can hold it up.
Yeah, go ahead. Keep going. Yep, good. Sweet. Alright guys, so we just removed the tunnel that's up in front over there, kind of in like the middle of the car. So now we have two 13 millimeter bolts by this this exhaust hanger here. So we're going to take those off. Alright, so after we remove those, we have a couple of clamps here. So I believe these are 15 millimeters, so we need a deep socket for that because this part is protruding a little bit. So one here, one on this side, and then we can start moving towards the front of the car, remove that hardware too. There we go. Got it. No, I'm good. Yeah, I'm actually holding on to the frame of the car.
Yeah, I'll hold you.
Okay, that one wasn't as bad. So we have four 15 millimeter bolts here. I've got my impact gun with a little swivel mount because these inner bolts, these two inner ones, so let me show you guys right here, are not too bad to get to. It's these two that we might have some clearance issues, so we might have to use a bigger extension, but let's see. Let's take off this one first. Oh shit, actually it's not coming off. Yeah. Did it. Just needed a little more convincing. Cool. Alright, now the other two with the clearance issues. Let's see, can this one actually go on? Maybe. Oh, sweet. Alright, I did not think that would work. Very nice. It's still hanging on there. Hopefully it's not too hot. Make sure it's still hot. Yeah. Alright, and last side, right over here. Oh yeah, it actually works. Shit, it might fall now.
You still have the bolts back there on, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, the clamps are still holding it on. Yeah.
Yeah, and then it's still attached around the pipe back there.
I'm gonna leave these here because those are hot as shit.
Okay.
If I slide this off,
I think you can get this out. Yeah.
There we go. Okay, these are slid off.
Yeah.
These are good. So now we gotta go to the back again. These are. Oh, there we go. Oh shit. All right, so you know me actually get the creeper. I saw two actually. Yay!
Hey. All right.
Still have the camera going?
Yes, we do.
Okay, good. All right, guys. So we finally managed to take off the stock X pipe, so you can see a little bit of a comparison here. Let me give you a better angle. So a lot of rust on the existing one, but the donut gaskets are actually pretty intact. It wasn't too hard to get out, but it's definitely a two-man job unless you have a lift, of course. But if you're doing it in a driveway, you know, definitely recommend to get a second person. But yeah, so it's definitely a lot lighter. I don't know how much this weighs exactly, but you know, it definitely feels a lot lighter. This thing was pretty heavy to take out, so yeah, not too much of a weight difference, but we're definitely going to get a sound difference. So the next step is we're going to take off this whole piece. I don't know if we need this whole metal section. We might, but we definitely have to take off the rubber grommet part. Oh no, I'm sorry, we do need this because because we actually need this whole hardware set, because this part actually bolts to the bottom of the car. So we need this, we need the rubber part, and yeah, so we're going to transfer all this over to right over here. We got our exhaust plier tool here. We're going to see if we could push these out. I'm actually going to get a better angle. There we go. Okay, that's one. Let's work on the second. That should be it. Let's see. There we go. So we're just going to transfer this over now. We put a little bit of anti-seize on the openings here. It's already looking like pretty easy. Yeah, that was no problem. Just a little bit more. Perfect. We're going to do a little revving sounds with basically, you know, no X-pipe on. Go ahead. Jesus. Yo, that's crazy. Woo! Holy crap. Wow. Dude. Yeah. Leave it like this. Holy crap, that's sick.
Moments later.
So we came to Home Depot now, and just like anything that you buy that's used, we didn't have the right hardware that came with it, so we're missing a couple of bolts that go in the back over here. So they're basically supposed to screw onto the header side of the exhaust. So we're left without those, so now we're at good old Home Depot. We're gonna rummage through some of the hardware sections, the fasteners and stuff, and see what they got. Hopefully they have something available for us. Okay, so this, but a 2-incher, so right around there. So we gotta find that. All right, guys, so Home Depot has kind of come through for us. So we have a couple of the flange nuts over here, together with the teeth. So these are the ones that you typically want for this kind of job, because they have the teeth. It's textured, so it'll grip onto the metal a little bit better. We only have 3, unfortunately, so we're gonna have to take one of these regular flat ones. The ones that we have at home, the ones that came stock on it, the stock hardware might actually work, but we're not sure, so we decided just to get new hardware instead. And the ones that come with the stock part of the exhaust right over here that are welded into this part of the exhaust, we're pretty sure that they're 2 inches in length. So we went ahead and got a 2.5 just to be safe. So even if these don't work, we can even just cut them, but it should be okay. We'll just have a little bit more length, and we just have to probably use a deeper socket, but we should be okay. So back home we go. We're gonna test this out one more time. Alright guys, so we just finished up the install. Everything is buttoned up. We didn't show you some of the, just the miscellaneous things. Basically, we worked backwards. We put on all the screws for the tunnel. We tightened down the clamps, and then we put on the screws that basically we went and got from Home Depot to, you know, flatten out the donut gaskets and where it mates up to the header. So all that is good. So yeah, so let's give you guys a after now. By the way, so even the starting clip that we showed you guys, that was with the OEM the OEM mufflers and all that, nothing has changed there, and that's with the valves open. So we're going to show you guys again what it sounds like with the Borla X pipe with the valves open. Holy shit, way louder. Alright, so I want to hear what this thing sounds like from the inside, because it sounds freaking nuts. Look at how dirty we are. Alright, check it out. Pretty damn good, man. It has a soft limiter at like 4,000 RPM, but still not bad. I dig it. That's fire, man. Alright guys, well that is the install video. I hope you liked it. This is definitely something a little bit different to my channel. If you guys have seen my channel before, I mainly do Subaru content. So if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care now. Peace.